everybody, Eric the Greenback here, and it's blueberry season. We've been picking quite a few blueberries, and man, we've had some good ones this year. We had a lot of rain and we didn't have a late frost, so big nice sweet blueberries this year. But I want to talk about a few varieties here, some information. This first one is a new one this year. It's Alapaha, and it's one of the releases from the University of Georgia. And it's, you know, very vigorous plant, supposed to be, and everything. But you know, I've tried a few of these blueberries, and there's a couple of ripe ones on here. And you know, they haven't had any sweetness. Really, almost like, I mean, not lemon, really, not that sour, but you know, they haven't been near as sweet as the Climax and some of the others. But you know, they're supposed to be very productive, and I think the flavor will improve over time, because, like I said, this is the first year in ground. It doesn't have all the nutrients it needs yet. Its roots are not in the soil good. So I'm going to try a few of these Alapaha blueberries and see. Been a couple of days since I tried any, and I'll see what they're tasting like here. Yeah, there's no sweetness at all. I'm really surprised. Just almost lemon-like. That's very surprising to me. But anyway, that's Alapaha, and maybe it'll make up for it in vigorous growth habit, and maybe the flavor will improve over the years. Now this one here is another new one, another University of Georgia release, Ochlockonee, and it is the latest season of them all. It was released in 2002, I believe, and we have a fairly ripe one here. Now, on the trials of Rabbiteye blueberries where I live, this one was the sweetest, and I believe it may have been the most productive. It was either this one or Alapaha. It was the most productive. So this is the first one that's it's not real ripe, but it's fairly ripe. Well, I dropped it. Let me get here we go. I found it. And while I was getting that, I see another one down here that's a little more ripe, I think. So we'll get that one too. Yeah, there we go. I'm glad I dropped that one. I saw this one, it's even bigger and it's more ripe. So we'll try the Ochlockonee here. Wow, night and day. Yeah, this had the highest bricks, the highest sugar content in the trials around here, and that is sugary sweet. That is, both of these plants came from the same place, the Ochlockonee and the Alapaha, so they probably had the same fertilizer. They were about the same size, and they've been in the ground the exact same length of time here. So wow, that is super sweet, flavorful. That's going to be a good one. That's going to be a good one. All right, we're going to go over and check out Vernon. All right, everybody, this is the Vernon Rabbiteye blueberry, and it was released from the University of Georgia in 2004, and it's supposed to be an earlier season, and it did ripen earlier than the Alapaha, and but it was later than the Climax and all that. But it's pretty healthy bush. It's getting some new growth on here, and I've eaten several off of here, and I debated on whether to even do a video on this, because some of them were like the Ochlockonee and sugary sweet, and some of them were like the Alapaha and tasted like a lemon. So I don't know if it's going to always be that inconsistent, or if it's just, you know, just the first year in the ground. So this one is really ripe. I've let it stay on here for several days, and glad a bird didn't get it. So I'm going to try this one right now. I've had several already. Yeah, I don't know. That's like the Alapaha. Just like a lemon. And here's some more down here. But I'm telling you, the first couple I had were sugary sweet, like the Ochlockonee. But this is Vernon, and I think the flavor of all of them will improve over time once they get established. But they're very healthy plants, and I mean, in the trials around where I live here, I don't think Vernon was even in the trials. I don't remember for sure, but Alapaha and Ochlockonee outproduced all the old varieties, so I'm excited about that. I think that Ochlockonee, man, that's the flavor winner. That even beats Brightwell to me. Really, really good. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks to all the subscribers. And this has been another Rabbiteye blueberry video. Thank you.